Is this what you do when you get tired? Christian. Can you get off this stoop? Let's go. Come on. Let's go.
Tree?
That is a tree.
Sorry.
Christian. All right, let's go. Come on. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Okay, no more counting leaves. Let's go. Get up. Whee. Thank you. Where you going? Slow down. Okay. Whoa. Wow.
Me,
The flowers?
fun.
Yes, yes, yes.
Follow.
Flowers. I got them. You like them? Christian, you're acting like a little fat guy. You keep sitting down after every couple feet or something. You need a break? You want to go to sleep? Christian. Get up. It's not funny. Christian, let's go. 1, 2, 3, go. Come and get you. No more breaks. Come on, you didn't even run nowhere. No, it's not night yet. No. Christian, every stoop you're going to sit down? You're going to take a whole break now right now? You're just going to relax? Get up, Christian. Get up. Come on, Chunky. Come on, Chunk. Christian. Bye-bye. Say 3, 4, 5. Go. Go. Coming to get you. Don't fall down. Coming to get you. What happened?
Get up.
Get up. What you mean get up? You want a piggyback ride? And this is where we have to end this story. Christian getting on the back. Come on.
No.
Come on. Ouch.